All right, so what I'm going to do is download my video for my montage for the Spiritual Business Vision Board Challenge. So I am in Canva, and this is the Canva app. If you are not familiar with Canva, then you can Google how to use Canva. So this is the Canva design. They've changed it of how you create the designs and different things, but it basically says create a design. You'd go into, I think it's mood boards, video collage, and or mood boards photo collage. In order to do the video collage, actually I'll just go on to that. In order to do the video collage, what you do is you upload files. So it'll say upload. So you go to your files, whatever the files are, and you pop them in here. So if I've just uploaded some images, and so I turn this around. I've done a coloured background for mine. I'm not sure if I think you can you could do elements, circle element, change the colour up here. So Contribution Freedom Monday. Obviously, I would do a square element for this, but if I didn't want to, then I would click and it would say layers, and I would say send it to the back, or send it back, send back. So send it to the back. I've got some images on there. I've got some text. I might add text. Hello. Right, on there. So it's a really easy app to use. The size of the text, bold, the colour of the text, depending on what that is. There's the branding kit and different things. Brands, if you've got brands. Uploads again for your images. Draw on it, however creative, projects, apps, photos, videos, etc. Anyway, Canva as well has, say, Maldives I want to do, and I want to do my vision board. Even if it's a pro image, it'll just have like the Canva logo and watermark on it. It's absolutely fine. So you build out your vision board one element at a time, and then this should be duplicatable so that you can create 7 of them. I can't see where the actual to duplicate it might duplicate. Oh, did it duplicate the image? It just duplicated one image, so I'll go back. I think doing it via this is I'm not familiar with the actual video. Normally you would just go up here and duplicate it. So I'm not entirely sure how to do. I know how to do the duplicating for for the photo collage, and if you know how to do this, then this is great. Then you can help everybody else out. But the sizing, the editing, they've not made it obvious. But anyway, with Google it, I can say duplicate here, but just not the actual images. Anyway, you do that, and you'd see how you play it, and then close, and then you would download the image, and then it will play. So it will play the way that you've created it. So you can animate, you can do all of the animations, different things, the positioning, the left, the right, the blah, 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 all the things. I didn't do an animation on my vision board. You can fade things out, the transparency of them, etc. Play with it. Don't worry about it. I'm kind of doing a disservice in terms of, I think, add a page. Did you see that down there? It said add a page. So now I've got another page that I can add something else to. So add a page down here, add a page down here, so whatever you want, and then when you play it, it's going to come into, and then you've done an animation, etc., then it's going to go into the next image. Now, when you're doing, say, the file design, create a new design for the mood board, excuse me, for the photo collage is the same. You can't, I don't think you can make that into a video, so you would have to do the video collage. So this is where it's got templates. I don't want the premium. Get a new free trial. I prefer, no, I don't want a free trial. So how do I just not do that? Yeah, I'm not sure. Hang on. Use upgrade template. Get another free trial. I prefer a team trial. I don't want that. I'm not sure why it's not. Or more like this. Okay, let's. Not the pro templates and designs. Upgrade to use this template. Normally you can just use it, but anyway, these are pro. This one a free one. Okay, so that's made that a free one. And then it says down here, add a page. So it's got a background in there. Again, you'd use text, what you've uploaded, whatever images, whatever day that you are on. So play with it, take your time with it, add your photos, etc. Photos, this is for Canva, whatever photos you Canva have that you want to use. Uploading your own photos is like, and what have you. All right, so that's basically it. Let me go to my own design. Excuse me. I'm going to go to home, I believe. They change Canva all the time. I don't like this thing that comes up here before the actual design. It doesn't let you go straight directly into the design anymore. So I'm going to try and click it. I think you might know or what have you, but I haven't done this for a while. But anyway, it should let me go into the design. So if I go into uploads, it might. But no, it's kind of just sitting on the page. It's just a bit weird. But anyway, I've added my designs, my what have you for each day. I've added a page, and that's kind of my staple for each year. And then I'll switch it out. And then obviously I can duplicate a page here. I've done this on the video montage. I haven't added any, what is that called? Any animation. I could add an animation, etc., but I don't really want to. So anyway, it said share, so I've downloaded this video. So you just download the video if you want to do your design on the video montage, but actually just download the actual image as I have. You would select the page that you want to download. So if I just wanted to download this as an image, which I have in the vision board, I've downloaded each of the images here, which you'll be able to see. Let me do it as a preview as a student. In the homework section, I've downloaded each of the images. I'm going to start talking in the access homework. So here's the homework, which you'll have seen. And so this is the video montage, and over the time have changed it, and I've just done this one for the contribution freedom, and then I'm going to pop that video underneath here for you. I'm going to embed it. But when I go to day health freedom, day 2, I've done the vision board, what it looked like before when I first did it in the video montage, then the next one, and then I've just done this one is the current one for 2025, for December 2025, and then obviously beyond. So you can add the words, you can add the images, do whatever you like. But when you've downloaded it, which I have already, so I'll do it again. The video suggested, current page, all pages, and it's 35 seconds, so I can play it, and then anyway, I'm going to download it. It's got images that are from the pro license. I want to download it with a watermark. I don't really care about that. So now I've got the images. I've got all the images, and I've got the MP4 video. All right. So this, and so all of my images were there. I downloaded each image individually and renamed it every time I did the image. So it was on the same page, But when I went to go and download and share, I changed the title of the image just so I would know what that image was. So I did a JPEG image and I titled it, say, Contribution Freedom Monday, and I went to share as an image, and the first page, and I wanted to name that first page as, Contribution Freedom. And then when I did the next one, I unselected all the pages, I selected page 2, renamed it Health Freedom, etc. So I have 7 pages in there. So then I go to my YouTube channel, and then I click my YouTube studio, the YouTube channel that I'm in, that I want to be in, and then I go to, then I go to content, and then I'm going to go to create and upload a video. And you'll have to go back if you didn't see that. But the MP4 is, I don't know if that one is the one. Maybe, I think. I'm not sure if that's the one, but I'm going to do it anyway. All right, so that's 5 seconds. It was 30 seconds. Hang on. Well, I want to do it so I can just play. Oh, here they are. There's 2 copies. It's 35 seconds. So I'm going to do that one. Upload it to YouTube. I can name it, what have you. That's what I'm going to name it. What have you. And then I'm going to just click next. I could do subtitles. I could do end screens on it, purely because I got the end screen. I want to go this end screen. Best for viewer, subscribe, and a playlist. I can't remember what I'd had on there before. Let's see. Let's just do the weekly videos and then best for viewer. Well, I would want to actually probably do not best for viewer, but actually the actual vision boards rather than the weekly videos, but I can't see them here. Maybe you can, but I can't see them there, so I'm just going to do that anyway. Save. I'm only doing this for you. I could do my end screens and my cards. It's only 30 seconds. It's okay. Copyright, no issues found, unlisted or public. I'm going to do mine as unlisted, and then it will, oh, it's done it instantly. I could share it, etc. Now what I am going to do is, I've got the link, but I'm going to do, I'm going to do the embed link for it, purely because I don't want any issues with the embedding. Oh, I didn't add sound to it, didn't add music to it. You can. So in that editing, I believe, edit title and description, just edit the details. I think that you can do it in the editor and add audio, add sound from the audio library from YouTube. And I just saw the, oh, what did I see? Sunny travel. I don't hear anything. So I'm just going to do that. Add, save changes. Hopefully it will save. And that should be it. I think I hadn't done it for a while. Let's see. Oh, I hear nothing. Do you hear anything? Gosh, hang on. So add templates, end screen, video editor. I don't know if I saved it. This is not a great tutorial, is it? But that's how you do it. Then I'm just going to embed it. Hang on, what does it say? Video is being processed, please come back later. Maybe that's why. So what I am going to do is just click on this and get the embed to just embed it. And then when the music is like added, if the music, oh, there we go. Perfect. So that's how you did it, how you do it. All right, and then I am going to click embed in here. So if I do it in the Contribution Freedom Monday, this is the back end of Thinkific, and I'm going to embed this for you underneath here. It takes just a second. I'm going to click here. What it will do is it'll try and embed the video at the top of this page, and then I'll have to click it, and yeah, and then I'll have to say, no, I don't want to embed it there. I actually want to embed it down here where I clicked. Just, I'm not sure why, there's a little bit of a glitch. Go back down here where I want it to embed, and it'll show up here. Remove where I just and then responsive to mobile. Make sure that is responsive, and I've already got it on preview, and we should be in lock. Here we go. Let's see. Oh gosh, hang on. Did I do it in number 1? I did, didn't I? Save. Homework. So I refreshed it, and I have got the video. There we go. All right. There we go. Oh. Woohoo! There we go. That's how we do it. We play that every single day for 7 days. And there is the end cards. So we play that for 7 days, 49 days, or 365 days, all the way until we do the vision board challenge again. So hopefully you've enjoyed that. I'm going to pop this tutorial in the homework, probably. Yeah, I'll do that in the homework. I'll pop it in underneath here, I think.